Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to see how to transplant tomato seedlings into one of these individual pots. So for the past 2 weeks they have been growing in these modules. There are 3 types of tomatoes. So these are yellow sunrise tomatoes and these are tiny tom tomatoes. And this is a store-bought red tomato which was cut into half-inch thickness from the center of the tomato and planted into these. So you can see there are loads of seedlings in here. So we are going to see how to transplant them and care for them till it's time to plant them into its location. So first let's see how to do the individual modules. So when you're doing the individual modules, you take one of these pots, pot up some soil, any multi-purpose compost would do, any multi-purpose compost, and then using some kind of a pick dipper. So I'm using a pencil. So you take some kind of a dipper and lift them slowly so that the roots are not damaged. See, there's 3 in this. So I'm going to just gently release one of them from its root, and never try and pull them using the stem, because the tomato plant stem is very delicate. So if you snap or bend it, it's not going to regain the strength. So gently tease it from the clump. So we've got 1, and this is the weaker seedling out of the 2, so we'll discard this. We don't need this. So these are the 2 healthy seedlings from the clump. Now when you plant a tomato seedling, you can plant them all the way to the first leaf. So these are the first leaf, and the next 2 leaves, which has the correct right shape of the tomato leaf, is called the true leaf. So you can plant them up to the first leaf. So I'm going to pinch these off very slowly and carefully, and I'm going to plant them till here. So if you look close, you can see tiny hair like structure. They're all ready to be roots. So when we plant them till the first leaf, these will all form into roots. So we are going to plant them. Hold the tomato plant on the leaf, because if the leaf snaps, it can come back, but if the stem snaps, the plant will die. So we are going to plant them as deep as possible into the pot and fill it up with compost. Tap them lightly so the compost can settle in. And see, we've planted. Now this is 1 seedling. So we'll do the rest of all and we'll see. So hold them by the leaf and plant them as deep as the first true leaf. So if you want to pinch off the true leaf, you can, but don't snap the stem. Hold it as carefully as possible and plant them. Okay. So there you go, we've planted all the tiny toms into the its own individual pots, and all the yellow sun-dried tomatoes into these individual pots. Now we've got to do this store-bought tomato seedlings. So the next bit is to plant them. So there you go, all the tomato seedlings are transplanted into their pots and kept on a protected location. In this case, it's my windowsill for the next couple of weeks.